Are you tired of battling dirt and grime in your home? Today, we're revealing the top 12 deep cleaning tools from Amazon that will make your life easier. From powerful vacuums to versatile steam cleaners, these products are must-haves for anyone looking to elevate their cleaning game this month. We dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing product reviews. 12 Amazon deep cleaning tools that make cleaning effortless. Let's go. Bissell Little Green. The Bissell Little Green is a powerful and portable spot cleaner designed to tackle tough stains on carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. With strong suction and a 48 Osm tank capacity, it allows for deep cleaning without constant refills. The included spot and stain formula with Febreze helps eliminate odors while lifting dirt. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, perfect for quick cleanups and pet messes. Whether dealing with coffee spills, pet accidents, or everyday stains, this machine delivers reliable results. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, making it a win for both your home and pets. Bissell Steam Shot. The Bissell Steam Shot is a handheld steam cleaner that harnesses 1,000 watts of power to naturally sanitize surfaces without chemicals. Ready to use in just 3 minutes, it features an on-demand steam trigger for precise control. The 10-piece toolkit includes a grout brush, fabric steamer, window squeegee, and extension hose, making it perfect for cleaning kitchens, bathrooms, and hard-to-reach spaces. Its 16-foot power cord provides extended reach, and the large 360 ml tank offers longer cleaning sessions. Whether tackling grease, grime, or stubborn stains, the Steam Shot provides a deep, chemical-free clean while also supporting Bissell's mission to help homeless pets. Shark Upright Vacuum. The Shark Upright Vacuum is built for powerful, deep cleaning on carpets and hard floors. Its lift-away function allows for effortless cleaning under furniture and above-floor areas, including upholstery and stairs. Featuring anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, it traps dust and allergens for a cleaner home. Pet owners will appreciate the strong suction and specialized pet hair attachments. Swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture easy, while the large 0.9 quart dust cup allows for longer cleaning sessions. With its combination of power, convenience, and versatility, this vacuum is an excellent choice for tackling everyday messes. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is a powerful, eco-friendly cleaning tool that eliminates dirt, grease, and grime using only steam. The 17-piece kit includes specialized tools for cleaning floors, kitchens, bathrooms, and vehicles, making it incredibly versatile. With a large tank capacity, it delivers up to 50 minutes of continuous steam, allowing for extended deep cleaning sessions. The compact and portable design makes it easy to maneuver, while the high-temperature steam ensures a chemical-free clean that's safe for homes with pets and children. Ideal for sanitizing surfaces naturally, this steam cleaner is a must-have for maintaining a spotless living space. McCulloch MC1375 Canister Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch MC1375 Canister Steam Cleaner delivers a deep clean without chemicals, using pressurized steam to remove grime from tile, appliances, upholstery, and more. Equipped with a 64-ounce water tank, it heats up in under 12 minutes and provides up to 120 minutes of continuous steam. The 23-piece accessory kit includes brushes, a mop, and a scraper for tackling various cleaning tasks. With a long 18-foot power cord and 10-foot steam hose, it offers superior reach. Backed by a 2-year warranty, this steam cleaner is an excellent investment for those seeking a natural, high-powered cleaning solution. Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner is a compact yet powerful solution for pet owners and high-traffic areas. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while the antimicrobial PowerSpin Pet Brush Roll effectively lifts pet hair and odors. Featuring heat force technology, it dries carpets quickly after cleaning. The included cleaning solution enhances performance, ensuring a fresh and deep clean. Perfect for small spaces, area rugs, and everyday messes, this carpet cleaner offers reliable stain removal without taking up too much storage space. For best results, pair it with Hoover's pet-specific cleaning formulas. Bissell Cleanview XR Pet 300 Watts Cordless Vacuum. The Bissell Cleanview XR Pet Cordless Vacuum delivers powerful cleaning with the freedom of cordless convenience. Its 300 watts motor provides 60% more power than comparable models, making it ideal for pet owners dealing with fur and dander. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, you can clean your entire home without interruptions. The deep cleaning fur brush is perfect for lifting stubborn pet hair from upholstery, stairs, and car interiors. A removable 24-volt max lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting performance with 3 adjustable cleaning modes. Lightweight and versatile, this vacuum makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and reach tight spaces. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping save homeless pets while keeping your home fur-free. Shark S7001 Mop. The Shark S7001 Mop takes steam cleaning to the next level with its powerful scrubbing and sanitizing features. Designed for all sealed hard floors, including hardwood, marble, tile, and stone, this mop eliminates 99.9% of bacteria without harsh chemicals. 3 steam modes let you adjust cleaning intensity for different messes, while the automatic scrubbing pads do the hard work for you. Built-in LED headlights reveal hidden dirt, ensuring a thorough clean. Its lightweight, swivel head design provides excellent maneuverability for getting into corners and tight spaces. Whether tackling light dust or stubborn stains, this steam mop delivers exceptional performance with effortless glide. The Shark S7001 makes deep cleaning easy, safe, and effective for any home. Hoover CleanSlate Plus. The Hoover CleanSlate Plus is the ultimate spot cleaner for tackling life's toughest messes. Its powerful suction lifts dirt, mud, wine, and pet stains from carpets and upholstery with ease. Equipped with a 7 inches wide path tool for larger areas and a tight spot tool for crevices, it handles everything from everyday spills to deep-set stains. Paired with the included Oxy concentrate, it permanently removes stubborn spots, ensuring fresh, clean surfaces. Lightweight and portable, the CleanSlate is perfect for quick touch-ups or deep cleaning sessions. Whether dealing with pet accidents or messy footprints, this machine delivers professional-level results without the hassle. JOYMOOP Mop and Bucket. The JOYMOOP Mop and Bucket system simplifies floor cleaning with its innovative 2-tank design. The wash chamber removes dirt, while the dry chamber wrings out excess water, keeping your hands clean and dry. The flat mop features a 360-degree rotating head, making it easy to reach corners and under furniture. Its adjustable stainless steel handle extends up to 60 inches, providing comfortable use for all heights. The compact bucket design allows for easy storage, while the 6.5-liter capacity ensures fewer refills. 4 microfiber mop pads offer strong water absorption and are machine washable for long-term use. Perfect for hardwood, tile, and laminate floors, this set makes mopping fast and efficient. PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop delivers a chemical-free clean using powerful steam to sanitize floors, carpets, and more. Heats up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for quick cleanups and deep sanitization. The detachable handheld steamer transforms it into a multi-purpose cleaning tool for upholstery, countertops, and even clothing. Its lightweight, maneuverable design allows for effortless cleaning under furniture, while the collapsible handle ensures easy storage. With multiple attachments, including brushes, a squeegee, and a grout cleaner, this mop tackles tough stains with ease. Safe for homes with kids and pets, it provides a deep clean without harsh chemicals. MGLSDeet Electric Floor Scrubber. The MGLSDeet Electric Floor Scrubber takes the hassle out of deep cleaning with its cordless, high-powered design. Featuring 2 speed settings, 400 RPM and 300 RPM, it effectively scrubs away dirt, stains, and grime from floors, tubs, and countertops. The rechargeable 2500 mAh battery provides up to 90 minutes of continuous use after a fast 3-hour charge. This scrubber includes multiple brush heads, including a mop pad for floors, a flat brush for tiles and ovens, and a cone brush for corners and tight spaces. With its ergonomic handle and waterproof construction, cleaning is easier, faster, and more efficient. With these 12 must-have deep cleaning tools, keeping your home spotless has never been easier. Whether it's the Shark S7001 Mop for sparkling floors or the Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner for fresh carpets, these gadgets bring efficiency and convenience to every cleaning session. No more struggling with stubborn dirt and grime. These tools will leave your home looking and feeling brand new. Which of these cleaning gadgets would you add to your home? Share your must-have cleaning tools in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more amazing product reviews, and check the description for links to all these fantastic Amazon cleaning finds. Happy cleaning!